dedicated to Select Special. Select Special is a nice functionality of Excel. It allows users to select a range of cells simultaneously based on a specific criterion. Here's how it's done in practice. You select a range of cells, click F5, and select the Special button. Choose the criterion according to which you would like to select some of the cells within the range. For example, let's select the blank cell in our table. I'll click on Blanks, and all blank cells in the table are selected. We can do the same thing for cells containing formulas, constants, comments, etc. Now, let's go a step further and import some content within these selected cells. In our example, given that we have many blank cells, let's type NA, standing for Not Available, within each of the blank cells. What we have to do is type NA in one cell outside the table, copy it, select the table, click F5, choose Special, and then Blanks. Now that we have selected the blank cells, we can just paste the NA letters inside them. This is an efficient technique which can greatly help you when working with large data. Hi! In this extract, we will learn how to assign dynamic names to cells within a financial model. Usually, a good model is used for more than one company or situation. By dynamically linking the cells where we introduce text in the model, such as the company's name, the financial period, the currency, etc., to an input page, we will allow ourselves to modify only once when some of the parameters change. Let's provide an example. In this sheet here, we have a company's name and a cell which reads P&L. We can link the company name to the cell P&L in the following way. Type equal in front of P&L and put quotation marks around it. In this way, we are creating a text formula. Now, let's use the AND function and link to Google Inc., which is the name of the company. The formula produced the following result. If we change the name within the source cell to Microsoft, it will automatically update in the formula. This is how we create dynamic names in our model and render it more flexible for future modifications. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody. In this short video, we'll show you how to name cell ranges and what the potential application of this functionality is. In the table on the left, we have a 2-year breakdown of sales. Let's select the cells from C4 to C7, and in the box on the upper left part of our screen, we can type Sales 12. I'll do that in this box right here. Now, let's select the range of 2013 sales from D4 to D7 and name it Sales 13. Okay, perfect. We named the two ranges. Let's put these names in use. First of all, we need to calculate the total for the 2 years. If I go to C8 and type sum and within brackets write Sales 12, I'll obtain the sum of the range which was named earlier. The same goes for the total number of sales in 2013. What if we use the name ranges in a formula without a function in front of them? For example, can I type Sales 12 plus Sales 13? The formula produces an error because we can only sum the sum of ranges, and we cannot sum ranges themselves. Name ranges should be used only within formulas and can facilitate our work when entering the arguments of a new formula. Thanks for watching. Dedicated to custom formatting. Very often in your models, you will need to represent numbers within a specific formatting. Representing them as text is not a valid option because you usually want to operate with these numbers later. So if I want to represent this 5 number here as a multiple and just type inside of it, I won't be able to operate with this cell anymore, as you can see, because Excel recognizes it only as a text cell. The proper way to do this is to assign a custom formatting to the cell while it is a number. We need to right-click on the cell and select Format Cells. Once we are there, we have to pick Custom, which is on the bottom of the page. Here, I can type any type of format. We can add a custom number of decimal places, a date formatting, anything. We need a format for a multiple, so we'll have 0.0x, which results in the required multiple format. By typing a custom format with zeros as we did, we can obtain any type of formatting for our numbers. And the best part is that Excel continues to consider these cells as numbers. For example, if I multiply the formatted cell by 2, I'll obtain 10. Here it is. This proves that the formatted cell is still a number.